it's your girl Hunchovb VB back with another video. Ninja has launched a new gadget, y'all. Okay, so now Ninja has launched the new Ninja Foodi XL pressure cooker steam fryer. So today I want to give you a little overview of the new product, and we're going to do a demonstration of the new technology. So in the new gadget, in the new product that Ninja has launched, you can now do steam frying, meaning that you could steam your food. For instance, you could steam rice, you could steam your vegetables, and you can air fry at the same time. What? You heard me. Air fry at the same time. So come on, guys, let's get started. Okay, let's get into it. This is the new Ninja Foodi 8 quart. So right now they only have one size, and that is 8 quarts. Isn't it gorgeous? And look at the top. Look, guys, one lid. You heard me? One lid. You would open it by holding on to the handle, and you lift it up. You don't grab on the sides, but with the handle. Pressure cooking, air frying, everything. One lid. You have a new slider mechanism now. So let me turn it on. This is the power button. Turn it on. And to determine your cooking modes, you're going to use the slider. Slide all the way to the left, and you have pressure cooking. You can select high or low pressure. You have arrow buttons, time. One other thing I want to show you, when you're pressure cooking, you now have the option to either keep the keep warm on or press the button and you can turn it off. So at the end of your pressure cooking cycle, if you turn it off, then it will not keep it warm, but it will go ahead and release the pressure. Since we're talking about releasing pressure, let's look at the valve. Still, that's the seal position. That's the vent, or you can actually turn it all the way around. That's the vented position. Okay. Okay, so slide the knob over to the middle, and you see the screen changes. Now it says Steam Crisp. And here you can turn your wheel or your knob, and you can go between Steam Crisp and Steam and Bake. And of course, here again, you set your temperature and your time. Okay, so move it over all the way to the right. And now you have your air fry and stovetop mode. So you have air fry, broil, bake roast, dehydrate, proof. That's, you know, if you want to proof your dough. Sear, saute, steam. You even have sous vide, slow cook, and yogurt. Come back to the middle. Steam Crisp. We're going to, I want to demonstrate to you the Steam Crisp function. Before I do that, I want to show you that you get, with the unit, you get a fry basket. That's like you, like the previous version. And you get an inner pot, and you also get some racks with it. Okay, so I'm going to make a meal today showing you how to steam your rice and fry your chicken. All right, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to remove the crisper basket. And I've already prepped the food for time's sake. So I have a cup of rice, some butter, and some seasoning already in my rice. So I'm going to put this in the inner pot. I've got 2 cups of water. I'm going to give this a mix. I'm going to put the rack in. I'm going to put the rack in the lower position. See? And I'm going to add my chicken. Okay, so I took some chicken breast. I put some breading in the baggie. I mean, you could use any kind of breading you want. I just use some pre-made breading. You could use your own flour and season it if you want. And like I said, I just put 2 chicken breasts just for demonstration's sake. You can use, you know, whatever you can fit in the pot or in the rack. So here's my chicken I'm adding. And these are quite thick, so I haven't tried doing the chicken breast in here, so I'm kind of estimating what the time should be. The last time I tested something, I did fish and grits, and everything came out just right, and I had forgotten to spray my fish, and it was still crispy. So I'm going to spray it this time. Okay? Now I'm going to close the lid. Okay, now we're going to steam crisp. You're going to make sure you're in the vented position because you are not pressure cooking. So come on down. Turn the unit on. It's already in the middle slide position, and it should say steam crisp. I'm going to keep it at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to take the time down to 12 minutes, and mind you, I mentioned that I have not tried the chicken breast yet, so I'm estimating the time, and the rice and the chicken should be done at the same time. And the option is steam and crisp. All right, start. So you're going to see the start up because it's coming up to steam. And then once it comes up to steam, it will start the countdown with the steaming and air frying. Okay, be back in a few. Okay guys, look at here, look at here. I want you to see. You hear? Chicken is crispy. Then I'll show you the rice after I get everything out. I'll even do a temperature check. Yes, 170. We got 170.2. So, well done, well done. Okay, let me get this out and get it plated so you all can see the rice and everything. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, so stir up the rice. I want you to see. The rice is ready and we've got crispy chicken. Okay, I'm going to plate this up and so we can give it a taste. Guys, look at here, look at here. Look. Nice chicken. Fluffy rice, all done at the same time. Okay. Okay guys, let's give this a taste. And I cut off half of it I'm not going to eat the whole breast, so I just cut off half. You hear the crunch? Look at there. Okay. Very good. Feel the rice taste. This is really good. Now mind you, I told you this is my first time doing the chicken breast. And I picked 12 minutes. I have noticed though that things seem to cook faster when it's on the steam crisp mode. I did not need 12 minutes. I'm thinking I could have bumped it back to 9 or 10 minutes. Oh, maybe even 8 minutes if the chicken breast is not real thick. But I would say 9 or 10 minutes for the chicken breast that I used today. It's still moist, it's crispy. It's a win in my book. But like I said, I would put back the time. So if you're using a recipe that's not in the book, and I do encourage you to experiment and make up your own recipes, just be mindful of the time. I do want you to know that I think the gadget this item is forgiving, meaning that it's pushing moisture into whatever you're cooking, so even if you do it too long, it still comes out moist. All right, so this is a wrap for me, guys. And look, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And look, don't forget to hit that bell button, the bell button below this video, so you can be notified of new upcoming videos. Until next time, Hunchovb VB is out. Peace.